Halloween.
We can just squish it. Okay, now move it further. I'm gonna just rip it out into a ball. I have this. I feel the rage. It's bubbling up in me.
Because there's no way that anybody fondues that whole thing.
What's happening?
Relaxenhausen. Oh shit! Look, it came off. Ah. Oh, look at that.
My name is Kara, and I might actually be the worst cook in the world.
Wild child, fire starter.
It drives my older sister crazy because she actually is a good cook. So I decided to torture her by attempting to make meals that she plans. I don't know anything about the dish until she reveals it to me right before I'm about to start cooking. She isn't supposed to help me, and I don't get a recipe or any instructions, so sometimes I have to call for backup. Welcome to Kara's Kitchen. Welcome to a special edition of Kara's Kitchen, Halloween 2021. We're gonna need more help than usual because if we screw up certain steps, then the whole thing falls apart. We can't finish making it.
Okay, so what is it? It's
It's a haute couture.
couture. Oh, we're doing a Halloween cake.
Halloween couture?
Or haute couture. Couture? Why do we have examples?
You're gonna use these as inspiration.
I'm looking for a simple one. Oh, wait a minute, it's right here. Oh, sorry, man, you wait. Boo.
Did you just call me Boo or say Boo for Halloween?
Boo. What about this here? Ooh, no, those are, we don't have that though. How do you make it?
Yeah, do we have all these things?
Yeah.
All of them?
Can we do the skull?
Yeah.
How are you gonna do a skull? That's a layer and then a layer? Halloween cake instructions. Fondant. Is that how you say it? Fondant? Fondant. Fondant.
It's a vanilla cake, but it's colored with orange for Halloween.
Oh.
It's alternating with your chocolate, so you need to make the chocolate cake.
Oh.
What, we have to make a chocolate cake?
Yes.
Well, we already
I
have
thought you
it.
made the cakes.
No, I made the vanilla.
Can I use your phone? I want to phone the Avengers because we need help.
Oh my god.
Okay, so this is,
These are the tiers. These are the layers.
Those are layers.
those are layers. So we've already got
So we have to make a...
Look, we got 3 layers already, and I get to eat that one now. Yeah, this one's bigger, biggest to bigger and smaller. Oh no, we have another chocolate. So this goes this chocolate, orange, green.
Green. This is a 3-tier.
Yeah.
So that's what it's going to look like.
Oh, that's gonna be impossible.
How many
2, 4,
Need
5.
5 cakes?
Yeah. Here's your recipes.
Oh, we actually have a recipe this time?
You have to, yeah.
Yeah, this would just be a mush pile.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a mush pile anyhow.
Yeah.
Go over there behind that towel. Pull out those fondants. So you.
I don't know what that is.
This is the fondant?
No, this is the fondant.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Is this not the fondant?
You've got white fondant, you've got black fondant in large amounts, and then you've got small fondants of other colors.
Oh. Whew.
So you're gonna need to make your chocolate cake.
What's fondant? Is it icing?
Fondant is like Play-Doh. That's
Ooh, you eat that?
for your decorations. You can
Eat
trace
it?
all that
What's that?
in your fondant.
What? Oh, I didn't do well in school in art.
Neither did I, because of you. Okay,
Okay.
we have to make the cake.
Yes. Whoops.
This is gonna be the day.
Oh, back into Lazy Susan again. Okay, so flour. So then I just do this?
Yeah.
Whoops, shit, now I dug in the hole.
It's like he's at the beach.
Okay, can I put this in here now?
No. Okay, this needs to happen quicker.
How much is that you got in
Who
there?
cares? Go.
No.
But now we got it all in one spot.
Well, what'd you do that for?
Well, you told me 50. Sorry.
Is this a copy?
Dad, put that down right now. My God.
So 4 eggshells? I mean, 4 eggs. Hey! I can mixy. Okay. Holy shite.
So this has got to be cut perfectly to the size. It cannot be bigger than the size, otherwise it'll screw up the shape of the cake. Okay?
Oh, you're doing that part.
Oh, that's too hard.
Oh, I have
It doesn't
PTSD
have-
from art class.
See what he's doing?
I got an A, you didn't.
Don't pick it up.
Well,
Where the hell was that again? Oh yeah, here.
So the cakes are done.
Mine's bigger. It's a competition.
Those are gonna go in the freezer.
Oh, we gotta do 2 buttercreams. 1 cup unsalted and half a cup salted. I'm starting to get used to my Laytards.
Okay, we have to mix it.
All right. Wow, look at that. That didn't take very long at all.
You plug it in?
Oh, not yet.
Oh.
Whoa, lots of butter on you.
Can you taste how sweet that is? To see if
Ooh. This is not too bad now.
okay, let's put the Oreos in.
I am Batman.
Oh, so we just need to get that little round bump off?
Good job. Well done, Batman. And how's that going to fit in there?
Like that.
Oh, but I thought you had to save those and put them back on.
No, we're not putting
Oh.
that in.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so orangey
Yeah, an orange.
and then chocolate.
So you need enough buttercream to go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers.
Oh. Use Good job.
Oh, look at that. Same size. Oh, sandwich.
Good job, Dad.
My layer on. Are you using your hands? You're not supposed to. Oh my gosh, eh? Why push it so hard?
Because it doesn't move.
Hey, give me that fondant. Now roll it out
That has to fit where?
over this cake.
The whole thing.
I don't understand why it's all crooked everywhere. Can I make a suggest?
Just, can we try this?
What have you want? Oh, it's Halloween.
We can just squish it. Okay, now move it further. I'm gonna just rip it out and do a ball. I have this.
Can
I feel the rage. It's bubbling up in me.
Because there's no way that anybody fondues that whole thing.
What's happening?
Okay.
Just start patting.
Relaxenhausen. Oh shit, look. It came off. Ah. Oh, look at that. Pretty good. This is patchwork, man. Well, it's not looking that bad.
Are you gonna seriously like cake like this?
Let me do this one by myself and you'll see the difference in the quality. Not that it's a competition, but cares. Dads.
This isn't gonna work.
How come there's Rice Krispies all over the floor? Look at that. Smoking a pancake. Now I gotta put this one on there. Ho, ho, ho.
Putting a skull on top.
Son of a fondant eater. All right.
Man, we should cater weddings. That looks good.
This is the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh my God. Well, you're getting me over here for nothing. Okay. So what are we doing with this now?
Just gonna cut Tracy's little shapes and slap them on there. Pumpkin. Can you see the both if I turn it?
Yeah.
We present to you one beautiful, oh, here, hang on. One beautiful layer cake that look exactly like this. What do you think?